Welcome to DJMTV.
My people, I greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJMTV. Make not do what to follow us, like, share, subscribe. On today's news, not be small thing they happen for this our prophecy industry. Now industry now will not be a church, not be religion again. This one our industry. Ghanaian seer, na Ghanaian seer. That man we always they see prophecy for Nigeria celebrity. Prophet Jeremiah don't come outside to drag am like generator. In fact, Prophet Jeremiah don't send warning, say make the warner where he did, because if he come for him, you know go see head, take the one way he did. So now so our Ghana seer go prophesy for Prophet Jeremiah. He come talk say Prophet Jeremiah get heart disease. Say if you don't take time, if you die. Prophet Jeremiah don't come out to talk, say he not get any heart disease. Say he don't check spiritual realm. In fact, my people, this will not be my mouth go talk and finish. I want to play on the video, make una watch this video reach the end.
Yeah, Ghana seer, wherever place you are, listen to me. I am not your mate. Number one, I have been, first of all, you sent a message some time ago. You talk about Jeremiah Omoto Fufui. That Jeremiah Omoto Fufui has a heart problem. That is a heart problem that's going to buy Jeremiah. But I want to let you know, I don't have any heart problem. Your prophecy that you prophesy is zero. Now, I want to pass this message to Ghana seer, they call him. I don't care to know your name, and I never care to know your name. Because when I find out you are somebody that who is nobody, after you pass that message to Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufui, Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufui go into the life of you, and also to the people that who are out that you have been insulting, and also you have been threatening their lives with fake prophecies. Now, you call yourself Ghana seer, and the world to listen to me carefully. Share this message to Ghana seer. Who he call himself, or who he call himself, or how he call himself, I don't care to know. My name, once again, I am Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufui. If you don't know me, you have to begin to ask of me, who is this man? Listen, let me tell you your life story to the people. You have been insulting Nigerian celebrities. You have been talking in the name of prophecies. You have been telling Nigerian celebrities that Nigerian celebrities, this one will die, this one will die, this one will die, this one will die, this one will die. You have been saying rubbish about Nigerian celebrities. Enough is enough. Ghana seer, this time you jam rock. You have tossed the lion's tail. Let me tell you who this man is. This man, when I ask this man in the realm of the spirit, this man is nonsense, is fake. Number one, this man, I want to pass this message to you. Whether he has done it or he did not, let him answer me. This man, he is a gambler. This man is a gambler. He has been gambling this in order to now prophesy. He predicts to people's life. His life is all about prediction. He predicts to people's life because they have now caught him in Ghana. Now he has run to Nigeria. He has now sent his focus to Nigeria in order to predict to people, put fear in the heart of people to now send money to him. That is his work. He now predicts to people, and now people now begin to be afraid this person will die. The person will now say, I beg now, I beg, I don't want to die, oh, I don't want to die, oh. The person will now send something, money to the person. He will now send number to the person and now look for the person's information and begin to now predict about people. Now let me tell you something, young man. You call yourself a Ghana seer. I know where you come from. You are from Asante. Let me tell you, you are from Asante region in Kumasi. That's where you are. You cannot run away from me. Let me tell you, you have touched the lion's tail. Spiritually, I am ready for you right now. But I want to let you know, you have been tempting the celebrities and also putting fear in the life of the celebrities in Nigeria. And people are thinking that you are really a prophet. You are not a prophet. You are a gambler. And you are doing small medicine that you just do and sell.
My people, I don't watch the video finish. Different things just happen for this our prophecy industry. When I think concerning this matter, I better drop your comment, like, and share this video. Until we take it for another news, always do well to stay safe. Una do.
DJ